Crash Course on Oklahoma State, USA. Geo Location. Oklahoma is located in the south-central region of the United States. It is bordered by 6 states, including Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas. Capital. The capital of Oklahoma is Oklahoma City. Population. As of the latest available data, Oklahoma has a population of approximately 3.9 million people. Economy. Oklahoma has a diverse economy with sectors such as energy, aerospace, agriculture, and manufacturing playing significant roles. The state is known for its oil and natural gas reserves, making it an important player in the energy industry. Additionally, aerospace companies, agricultural production, and manufacturing contribute to the state's economy. Education. Oklahoma is home to several notable universities, including the University of Oklahoma, Oklahoma State University, and the University of Tulsa. These institutions offer a range of academic programs and contribute to the state's educational landscape. Brief history. Oklahoma has a unique history shaped by Native American tribes and the forced relocation of indigenous peoples known as the Trail of Tears. The state was initially designated as Indian Territory before being opened up for settlement through land runs and lotteries. Oklahoma became the 46th state in 1907. Cultures and politics. Oklahoma is a melting pot of diverse cultures influenced by Native American, European, African American, and Hispanic heritage. The state's cultural traditions, music, and art reflect this rich mix. Politically, Oklahoma leans conservative, with a strong presence of Republican politics. Interesting stories or examples. The Cherokee Nation, one of the largest Native American tribes, is headquartered in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. The tribe has played a vital role in the state's history and culture. Oklahoma is known for its vibrant Western and cowboy culture, which is celebrated through events like the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum and the annual International Finals Rodeo in Oklahoma City. The musical Oklahoma is based on the state's history and culture and has become an iconic representation of the region. Top 12 attractions in Oklahoma State. 1. National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum, Oklahoma City. 2. Oklahoma City National Memorial and Museum, Oklahoma City. 3. Philbrook Museum of Art, Tulsa. 4. Chickasaw Cultural Center, Sulphur. 5. Museum of the Great Plains, Lawton. 6. Oklahoma Aquarium, Jenks. 7. Turner Falls Park, Davis. 8. Woolaroc Museum and Wildlife Preserve, Bartlesville. 9. Gilcrease Museum, Tulsa. 10. Bricktown, Oklahoma City. 11. Oklahoma City Zoo, Oklahoma City. 12. Will Rogers Memorial Museum, Claremore. Summarize. Oklahoma, a state steeped in Native American heritage and Western culture, offers a wealth of attractions and experiences. From exploring world-class museums to immersing in the natural beauty of its parks and wildlife preserves, Oklahoma captivates visitors with its diverse offerings. Whether discovering the stories of its past or indulging in its vibrant present, the state leaves an indelible mark on those who venture within its borders. Poem. In the heartland's embrace, where the wind dances free, lies a land of stories, Oklahoma, to thee. From prairies wide and rivers that flow. A poem for Oklahoma, let its beauty show. Where the sunsets paint the sky in hues of gold, and fields of wheat sway as the stories unfold. The spirit of pioneers, their footsteps echo still. In the fields and towns, where dreams fulfill. Native tribes' ancient roots, deep in the soil. Their wisdom and culture, forever loyal. Drums beating to rhythms, voices raised in song. Oklahoma's heritage, proud and strong. From the Red Rivers flow to the Arbuckle Peaks. Nature's wonders abound, in every creek. The Wichita Mountains, a majestic sight. Where wildlife roams, in golden light. In Tulsa's city streets, a melody takes flight. The sound of jazz and blues, an endless delight. And Oklahoma City, where dreams rise high. A skyline reaching for the endless sky. So here's to Oklahoma, a land so grand. Where dreams come alive, in the palm of your hand. With open hearts and spirits that soar. Oklahoma's beauty forevermore. Note, this is a poem written by the AI language model and is for creative purposes only. Song. Verse 1. On the plains of Oklahoma, where the wind whispers low. A land of tales and traditions, where history's seeds sow. From native tribes' ancient roots to the Trail of Tears sorrow. Oklahoma's spirit, a song for a better tomorrow. Chorus. Oklahoma, Oklahoma, where cultures unite. From cowboy legends to native pride's light. With landscapes so vast, where nature's wonders unfold. In Oklahoma's embrace, stories of old. Verse 2. In Oklahoma City, a memorial stands tall. A tribute to resilience, a reminder. For all. From the Western Heritage Museum to the Philbrooks Art. Oklahoma's treasures, etched deep in the heart. Bridge. Chickasaw Cultural Center, where heritage thrives. The aquarium's wonders, where marine life dives. Turner Falls Cascades, a haven of serenity. Oklahoma's landscapes, a tapestry of beauty. Chorus. Oklahoma, Oklahoma, where cultures unite. From cowboy legends to native pride's light. With landscapes so vast, where nature's wonders unfold. In Oklahoma's embrace, stories of old. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Insert Booking.com referral link here. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.